What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome to Orange is AI Tutorials. I am Orange is AI, where we give tutorials on everything AI. So what I want to do is do a part 2 of us going through X, formerly known as Twitter, going through my bookmarks and just really just diving into what some of the top creators in the AI field are creating, some of the bookmarks that I made, so that way you guys can get some instantaneous inspiration, style reference codes, prompts, all the things. I got my bookmarks lined up here, and I want to show you guys what, just kind of just go through what, what we find here. So this is some of the stuff that I've shown before. This right here, it's hand-drawn animated charm in muted blue sref. This expressive characters drift through a cozy introspective hush. So you could always just simply use this style reference code. As a matter of fact, I'm going to pull up Midjourney now. We're going to kind of just, just do it in action. This is my storm that we did in the last episode. So we're going to do the style reference. And we are going to say, as a matter of fact, we're actually going to use Super Whisper, which is the voice prompter, voice dictation that, we could come up with. So I'm going to actually paste my style reference code here. And we're going to voice it here. So I'm going to show you how it works. Option, spacebar, and a 60-year-old couple on a park bench in the snow in the middle of winter. Perfect. So a 60-year-old couple on a park bench in the snow in the middle of winter. We're keeping our prompts very simple. We do landscape to really just give opportunity to be able to really see that scene. So this is X, and this is kind of like Mo Better Blues type of style reference code. So we're going to see like what actually comes out of that. And we got some great results. I love the thin pen sketch here. Look, we got. Oh man, just so beautiful. I don't think that came out too well, but this is really dope. So we can always fine tune the prompt from there and make it anything that we want. So let's keep going through. X, real objects meet doodles with ChatGPT. Works great with Nano Banana and Seedream. Prompt and alt. Love it, love it, love it. This is created in Seedream as well. Upload any photos from your phone or take any old photo, turn it into a video in 20 seconds with the Grok app. So this is pretty cool. So as a matter of fact, let's try that. Let's try the Grok app, or is that a phone thing? Let me see here. I'm gonna post an image here. Looks like we gotta post it first. Let's take Storm here. We created Storm in our last post here. Let's see if we could make it the video right yet. Nope, it looks like we got to post it first. All right, so we just posted her. We're gonna go to profile, see if we could select video. Thought I could make her into a video. Let's see. Let's go into the Super Grok, I guess. Oh, create images. Maybe I could just upload the video, or excuse me, upload the image and say turn into a video. See what they do. The Grok chat is, similar to ChatGPT and Google Gemini. It's a really cool platform. So it looks like it created something new. It looks like I would have to create a new prompt. Copy image, post the image. Maybe I might have to wait into doing it into the actual app. This is the desktop version, but we're gonna go ahead and move on here. Not all things kind of work out the way we want. This is a pretty cool style reference code. It looks like we got it right here. Let's copy that. And let's create this is a Family Guy. Let's maybe create The Simpsons. Let's go ahead. I'm going to paste that first. We're going to Option spacebar. We're going to do like a Bart Simpson playing the saxophone. I know that seems weird. Bart Simpson playing the saxophone. Because, you know, he was a skateboarder, all that stuff. So we'll try that. And we want to, we'll keep it nice and horizontal. Love it. I think they could have did a little bit better job, but they kind of got them holding it. Let's bring it out just a little bit more. So we're going to zoom out 1.5. As a matter of fact, let's zoom out 2. See if we could get more of the entire image. When you zoom out, what it does is it allows you to see more of the image, generates more of the image, which is what we want to do. Love it, love it, love it. So we can always fine tune it to kind of make it seem like he's like really playing, but we're just going to keep it moving. I just really like the style. This is really good because it gives you an idea of how to shoot things, low angle, Dutch shot, establishing shot, those different shots. It's always things that you want to just like keep in mind. Create a studio shot icon. This is a new AI software. There's like so many popping up each day. It's ridiculous. Beautiful anime style. Yes, it is. Let's try that. Let's create something really dope with that. Let's say Lisa Simpson riding a skateboard. Okay, so I already used my paste feature, so it looks like I gotta copy that once more. And we're gonna paste that into the prompt here. So Lisa Simpson from the riding the skateboard. Okay, looks like we got a older version of Lisa Simpson. But the point was to kind of keep that same art style. It's very anime-ish, very cool, very, very wonky. Really like it. I think this really did good. Let me go ahead and put 2 times out just so I could get more of the image. I think I like this. Looks like she's on a freaking motorcycle or something. Zoom out. Let's see what we got here. Pretty cool. Not sure if I like the leg underneath. Add a whole different character. This is cool. This right here, this seems natural. This right here seems natural. This is pretty cool look. But yeah, so many different things that you can do. This prompt right here seems pretty cool. And it kind of gives us like prompting here, chaos 30, 16:9 style reference code. So let's kind of go from there. Let's say, oops. Yeah, let's go ahead and delete that. And let's go ahead and put the prompt in the middle. So what do we want to come up with? Let's say an oversized monster doing ballet. So see what comes out of that. So yeah, X, Orange is AI on X. This is my bookmarks. What I encourage you guys to do is follow different creatives in the AI field. I follow 153, some of the best followers. I follow some of the top brands. Dave Clark is one of the top AI filmmakers. I watch AI films. I follow other people that are creating dope AI. They have courses, they have meetups, they have spaces that you can go and just like collaborate with and I think we got the ballet right here, not necessarily right there, but maybe a little bit right here. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool too. It's kind of like the Loch Ness monster with just like really simple sketch. So many different ideas that we can come up with that's beyond just the Explorer tab in Midjourney or our Facebook, communities. You can also go to communities here and you could join different communities: AI film and video, generative AI, prompt sharing. It is endless in regards to what you can do and what you can get inspiration from. So this is so sick. This is sick. This is sick. All of these things are super dope. So yeah, it's all about just going online, getting some inspiration, finding time to do it, and just making it happen. So I hope this video was of help to you in regards to getting inspiration and using resources to do it. So yeah, please let me know what things you guys find interesting. I would love to know. Leave them in the comments below. Until next time, y'all. Peace.